I've known Brandon since we were kids. He's handsome, well-dressed, has a great job. Sometimes he has a hard time dating. Why?
Hey, champ, here's your tip. Bring it in. Every time I have to look for you.
He's a total piece of
Michelle is a friend, I guess.
I am legit starving.
Sorry, ma'am, you can't bring outside food.
This isn't outside food. It came from inside my work fridge. So, okay, thanks. Bye.
She's also the worst.
Yo, can we get a TV in here? How do you get a Michelin star without a TV? Am I right?
Honestly.
Thanks to singles.com, we're able to pair up two people so terrible that they deserve each other.
Singles.com uses a 19-point hole index to match your total head with another total head.
Canceling two douches out of the social equation with a single date. Everyone wins.
Looks like you spin.
My class is so hard, it's literally retarded.
Okay.
Seriously, bro? We're supposed to finish our apps in 2 minutes?
It's been 15 minutes.
Actually, it's been like 10 seconds.
Good.
More money in my pocket.
They're still the worst.
But now, they can be the worst to each other. That's love. Also, you, Michelle. I know you stole my yogurt out of the office fridge. Give it back or give me $1.79.